everyone, in this tutorial, I will show you how to make a video with text and background music in Canva. Let's use this video as an example. Click Add to Page. Go to Elements, and in the search bar, enter the keywords for the elements you need. Click on Audio, choose suitable music. Drag and drop it into the timeline. Then, adjust it as needed. Next, click on Text. Select Add a heading. Type your text and customize the text style. Duplicate the text for multiple instances. Adjust the positions of the text fields. Select all the text, group them together. Click on the More icon and select Show Element Timing. Click on the Up icon. Adjust the timing of your text. And there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thanks for watching.